Today we are making omelets.
Let's make a French omelette with Mexican mama.
Shut up.
This is the omelet that many wish they could do properly, and I think they can. Just takes a little practice.
Now I just lost the hope to make it perfectly.
Shut up. You can do this.
That's some motivation, papa.
So here we go. Start off with a medium-sized bowl.
A small size bowl.
Crack in 4 whole eggs.
Cracking 1 boiled egg.
Season them to taste with salt
Season it with salt.
to denature its protein, and, well, season it.
Isn't that gonna water down the egg?
Your eggs won't go watery, so please relax, internet culinary frickin' dweebs.
Hiya!
Anyway, whisk together till fully homogenized.
Whisking together until homogenized.
I want no egg whites floating around in there.
No white eggs.
Frickin' dweebs. Then heat a non-stick 10-inch pan over medium heat.
Hitting a non-stick. I don't know how many inches it is.
Add about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter.
A teaspoon of unsalted oil.
And as soon as it's nearly fully melted,
It's completely melted.
pour in your eggs.
Pouring my eggs.
And as soon as those eggs touch that pan, immediately begin stirring with either wooden chopsticks or a rubber spatula. I personally prefer the spatula because it covers more surface area, but whatever.
Wood from chopsticks. Spatula from rubber became wooden spatula.
Constant stirring on and off the heat. And this
Constant stirring only on heat.
and as soon as your eggs stop being super runny,
My eggs stopped being runny.
you can add your cheese. I got 8.
My cheese delivery boy not yet arrived.
You lying to people.
Now using your spatula, gently roll the part of the omelet that's closest to you all the way down,
Gently roll the egg all the way down.
Failure!
but gently invert onto a plate.
Throw it into the plate.
I mean, look at that. It's like kind of like like a forbidden banana.
Looking like a forbidden omelette.
Some black truffle, except it kept sliding off.
My dad is not enough rich to buy a Bugatti.
Basic Mitch.
Now it's serious taste test. It's soft, creamy, but I miss the butter flavor. Last time I ate it at the restaurant, it was phenomenal. Anyway, it's
Yeah!